Hey everybody, it's Mike with Kranzle USA's, aka dirtkiller.com, and I'm pleased to introduce to you our newest dealer, Greg from Dr. Shine Auto Detail Supply out in the Portland, Oregon area. It's Happy Valley, correct?
Happy Valley, that's right.
All right, so I'm going to let Greg tell you all about his new shop that's going to be grand opening in March. He's got his Facebook up, his Instagram, so you can start to follow. Website's coming shortly. So Greg, take it over. Tell us about you, why you love Kranzle, and what all you're doing there.
Yeah, so we're really excited to open up our shop. March 11th is our grand opening date. There's not a lot of people who are going to be doing what we're doing in the detail space. We are one of the only shops that I know of that's going to be a full retail shop. We're going to have a ton of different products, a ton of different brands that we stock. Obviously, Kranzle, really excited to stock their stuff. Full line of tools, accessories, chemicals, all sorts of products. And then under that same roof, we're going to be a full-fledged professional detail shop. We're going to be able to do anything and everything that anybody needs.
Cool. So you mentioned before that you used to be with is it Chemical Guys Detail Garage, and now you're starting your own project?
Yeah, so originally how I got introduced into this industry was after I got out of the military. I'm a 6-year Air Force veteran. I got back home and, young family at the time, and I wanted to start a business. And I was looking at opportunities. I always kind of had done detailing on the side, and I knew that Detail Garage was expanding their presence in a retail wise in the country, and I reached out to them, and it took about a year to get that business off the ground. It was a long, arduous process, but in August of 2021, we opened that company, and it was amazing. We killed it in our local market. We sold a ton of products. Really, got everyone excited about detailing up here and what we had to offer. And then after that, I sold that company to the brand, and I was in a corporate leadership position with them. And it was great. I learned a lot, did a lot with them. And then it was kind of one of those things where it's like, once you're an entrepreneur and then you kind of get pushed back into the corporate role, you're like, there's some things that you kind of want to change. You kind of want some of that control back in your life. And I was like, hey, I did this once before. I know I can do it again. And I had this idea. I was like, let's just have a retail shop with all of the best stuff, and let's have a detail shop under the same roof, and let's see what we can do. And then, Dr. Shine's Auto Detail Supply was born.
Cool. Do you have a partner in this, or is this a solo venture with just you?
No, it's all me. I'm the CEO and founder of the company. I own 100% equity in the company. One of my best friends is going to help me run it. He's going to be our general manager. We have just a couple sales associates and then a primary lead detailer, but we're all factory trained detailers. We've been doing this a long time. I've been detailing myself for over 10 years. So we're just kind of, it's a small team, but we're pretty high performance, man, pretty high output. So.
Cool. So are you going to be offering any type of classes for,
Yes.
fees and so forth and so on?
Yeah, so that's another thing that we're doing that nobody really else is doing, like retail, detail, and training. We're going to be providing a full training program curriculum. Like if you are a young guy who wants to make money on the side, you want to start your own business, or if you're an enthusiast and you want to learn how to take care of your car, right? We will teach you that. We'll teach you on real cars, how to polish, how to paint correct, how to coat, how to wet sand, how to do everything that you need to do. Interior, we'll do interior coatings, extractions, like all of this stuff, wheel coatings. We'll teach you everything.
Nice. So my understanding is you are going to be carrying the full line of Kranzle products. So that's, the very popular 1622 and the 1122. Are you guys going to get the 2020 PMUSR, the wall mount? Is that what I know Patricia set you up and she's unavailable today, so I was just checking on that. Are you guys going to be doing any kind of custom installs for the mobile detail community? Are you thoughts on that yet?
So really for us right now, our bread and butter is what we do. If there is a demand in the market for that stuff, we will do whatever the market is demanding of us. The wall mount solution, we would love to carry that. Any of that custom setup stuff, we would love to do that. We're going to be a service provider for the Kranzle machines. We're going to be able to do warranty work. We already were talking to Patricia about handling all of that stuff. So
all right.
If there's a demand for that, we'll definitely do it.
Okay. Yeah, I know in Maryland at our retail operation, we build a lot of custom rigs for people, right?
Mhm.
For guys that are going out in field and doing stuff from that level. Patricia mentioned that you're also going to have some of the Dirt Killer line for the pressure washer community. Is that true? Or at least have
We
access to it?
Yes, have access to it. It's something like if we have professional shops, and I know you guys even carry other chemicals like too for like concrete guys or other pressure washing companies. If those people are going to want, specific products for that, chemicals for that, we'll stock that stuff on our website when that gets up and running. Patricia said we could have those SKUs on our website, and it can be like a drop shipping type situation where if we get those customers on our website, they can purchase that product and then it can just ship direct from you guys.
Okay, cool. Yeah, because I mean, like some of the Dirt Killer product, like Nasty, I think every detail garage shop should have some Nasty in stock because it's great for cleaning up those oil stains that get on the concrete. Power Bolt for the asphalt. I know some detailers actually have started adding on surface cleaning. Like you're there cleaning a car, so make a quick extra $200 by doing their driveway. You've got the pressure washer,
Right.
you've got a surface cleaner. Get yourself an extra $200, clean their drive. You know what I mean? So it's a good add-on. All right. Well, I am looking forward to seeing you grow and having you on board with Dirt Killer Kranzle USA. Real quick now, your grand opening is when? March?
March 11th, doors open at 9 a.m. Our address is 11520 Southeast 82nd Avenue. Dr. Shine's Auto Detail Supply on Facebook, Dr. Shine's Happy Valley on Instagram.
Okay.
We're really excited. We're going to be doing 20% off our entire store for the grand opening.
All right.
Doing a really awesome giveaway with Kranzle USA. Let you talk more about
Right.
that.
Right.
And if you guys if anybody books a detail with us on grand opening weekend, they're going to get 15% off whatever package they choose. We're going to be giving over $500 worth of free product and training away on our grand opening weekend. We're going to be doing a ton of raffles
because we're throwing in a Kranzle Detail Kit, so it's going to be
Right.
closer to $1,000 worth of product with your other goodies. So
Right.
all right, awesome.
Yeah.
So March 11th. Thank you everybody for watching. We'll put a link in the footer here and in other places to join the raffle. You will have to be on site to win, but you can pre-register for the raffle just by going to the link below and signing up. And Greg, I really look forward to seeing you grow. Be sure when you're posting your videos, tag us wherever we're relevant, and we will share and share and share. So everybody, Greg at Dr. Shine Auto Detail Supply. My name is Mike with Kranzle USA. Dirt Killer. See you next time. Bye.
Thanks, Mike. Have a great day, sir.
You too.
Kranzle USA. Pressure washer perfection.